Hello, you're in Someka channel. We are here today to introduce our Feed Gap Analysis tool. This is a ready-to-use Excel template with two main sections, the input area and also the dashboard. Firstly, with this tool, you will easily assess if your proposed solution aligns with your organization's processes or goals. Let's see how it works. On the input area, there is a sleek design matrix table with four main headings: business process, task or objective, rating area, and lastly, responsible person or team. All you have to do is write your business processes and then define your tasks or objectives, then rate your fit level. Here you can select poor, marginal, acceptable, good or excellent fit with check marks. Just select the check mark here, and if you select two check marks for the same tasks, the template will warn you with red color. Lastly, add your responsible person or team. Very easy interface to assess your fit gaps. Now let's see our results. There is a flowchart quadrant on the dashboard. You can track gap distribution in a pie chart. Also, you can see number of tasks of your top processes here. There is also a tree map chart to track the number of tasks per responsible. Here you can assess the workload of your team. And lastly, you can see the gap scores of each process. That's how you can understand which process lacks of fit for your company. That's all for this Fit Gap Analysis template. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check our other templates at someka.net.